Meanwhile, we have some breaking news coming in. First pictures of KL Sharma filing his nomination have been accessed by channel. KL Sharma has filed his nomination from Amethi. We have Niyamika joining us with more details. Niyamika is joining us with more on KL Sharma filing his nomination. Earlier, in the first reaction, in fact, he seemed taken aback a bit. When questions were asked him about him being fielded from Amethi, and he says first he'll confirm and then react to it. And then he thanks Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Those are images of him filing the nomination now. So he is Congress candidate from Amethi, the traditional seat, the bastion. Niyamika.
Absolutely, as now Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has also given a statement. She has also expressed her confidence and that's the reason why she has also made an announcement that she will be there for the seats of Amethi and Raebareli. She will be campaigning from 6th May onwards, and she has also said this very clearly that KL Sharma is a grounded worker. He is a dedicated worker of the Congress party. He has been campaigning for the Congress party, working for the Congress party since decades in these two constituencies, Amethi and Raebareli, as he is a very close aide of Sonia Gandhi, and that's the reason why the Congress party has shown their confidence upon KL Sharma, and that's the reason why he has been fielded against Smriti Irani from the seat of Amethi. Now he is filing his nomination. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is being there along with KL Sharma, and after that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will move to Raebareli, where Rahul Gandhi is going to file his nomination from that particular seat. Not just Priyanka Gandhi but also Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi, KC Venugopal are also being there. It is basically an attempt on the part of the Congress party for a show of strength, as they are giving out a message that the Congress party is still there in the state of Uttar Pradesh, as we have recently seen that how the BJP and in fact Prime Minister Narendra Modi had also said that the Congress party has already accepted its defeat. BJP has been continuously saying that in the Hindi heartland the Congress party is nowhere. They have already accepted their defeat, and that's the reason why they are running away from these seats. So to give out a message to the people of Uttar Pradesh, the senior leadership of the Congress party have now arrived there in the seats of Amethi and Raebareli. They are going to be present for the nomination of Rahul Gandhi, to give out this message that Congress party is still there for the people of Amethi and Raebareli.
All right, Niyamika, stay on with us. So KL Sharma files his nomination from Amethi. Is the Congress party's candidate from Amethi, the bastion of the Gandhi family. A quick break with that. Niyamika will come back to you for more on this.